Welcome to Platicadon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Recently, California's wildfires have left many communities grappling with devastation. Entire neighborhoods have been reduced to ash, and countless families are now left wondering, how can they rebuild their lives? This brings us to an important question. What happens when a massive disaster leaves an entire community without homes? How do governments step in to rebuild? And what can we learn from different systems around the world? In places like China, disaster recovery often includes the construction of affordable housing for those affected. After major events like the 2008 Wenchuan earthquake, the government implemented large-scale reconstruction programs. These homes were provided at prices significantly lower than market rates, sometimes only 20% to 50% of what a similar house would cost under normal circumstances. How can they do this? Let's break it down. First, land costs are eliminated. The government allocates land through administrative means rather than charging developers for it. Second, taxes and fees are waived for reconstruction projects, which removes another major cost driver. Third, these homes are built with basic designs and minimal profit margins, focusing on functionality over luxury. Together, these factors make disaster recovery housing far more affordable. In contrast, systems like those in the US face significant challenges in disaster recovery due to the privatization of land and the profit-driven nature of construction. Most land in the US is privately owned, meaning the government must purchase it at market rates to build housing. Additionally, private developers often prioritize profitability over affordability, making large-scale affordable housing projects difficult to achieve. One potential solution is the concept of community land trusts, CLTs. In this model, land is owned collectively by a nonprofit or public organization, while individuals lease the land to build affordable homes. This approach separates land costs from housing costs, significantly reducing the overall price of rebuilding. Another idea is to encourage nonprofit organizations to lead disaster recovery projects, with government subsidies and incentives to ensure affordability. While these solutions aren't without challenges, they present an opportunity to rethink how disaster recovery is handled in the US. By balancing public spending with fairness and encouraging innovative models like land trusts and nonprofit-driven rebuilding, we can create a system that better supports disaster victims without placing undue burdens on taxpayers. At the end of the day, disasters don't just destroy homes, they test our systems and our capacity for compassion. Understanding how different places tackle these challenges gives us a chance to rethink and improve. If you found this thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Platicadon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. See you next time.